Welcome everyone to St. Alban TV. Okay, today we are going to take you through the top 5 richest Jamaican women. So we're going to start from number 5. Her name is Priscilla Henley. She's a Jamaican American actress best known for her TV role as Reva Connors in Jessica Jones, Luke Cage, Witch Fuji. She has a net worth of $55 million as of 2020. Henley was born on the 22nd of July 1977 in Kingston, Jamaica. She's one of the wealthiest celebs who has a whopping net worth of $55 million. She started her career in 2006 and starred in more than 30 movies and TV shows. Number 4. Stacey Ann Chin has a net worth of $71 million. She is a spoken word poet, performing artist, and rights political activist. Her work has been published in the New York Times, the Washington Post, and the Pittsburgh Daily, and has featured on 60 Minutes. She was also featured on the Oprah Winfrey Show, where she shared her struggles as growing up in Jamaica. Number 3. Juliet Holness is the wife of Jamaican Prime Minister Andrew Holness and a member of the House of Representatives. Holness is a motivational speaker, real estate owner, agent, accountant, and writer. She was born and raised in St. Catherine, Jamaica. The Holness family total income is estimated to be $161 million. Next on our list, number 2, Bernice Kong. Bernice Kong was born in St. Mary, Jamaica. Her father's family owned a bakery and a small market in St. Mary. Moreover, both Kong's mother and aunt worked on Playboy bunnies at the Playboy's Jamaica resort. She moved with her mum to America when she was 6 years old. She eventually settled down in Los Angeles, California. Kong was a Playmate of the Month in 1985 issue of Playboy. She was the last Playboy mate to have a centerfold with a staple. She also appeared in several Playboy videos and posed for a handful of Playboy newsstands special editions. Kong was not only made a guest appearance on the episode of the TV Knight Rider, but also had a small role in movies My Man Adam, Number 1 with a Bullet, and Beverly Hills Cop 2. Besides acting, modeling, she was also in investment banking. Her estimated net worth is $107 million. Now for the finale, our number 1 richest Jamaican woman is Paulette Jarrett. She is listed in the billionaires among the world's richest. Paulette Jarrett's estimated net worth is a staggering $1 billion and is ranked at number 1 in the list of the top 10 richest women in Jamaica and has appeared in the financial magazines such as Forbes and Bloomberg. Attorney, philanthropist, and a Jamaican leader, Paulette Jarrett hails from a wealthy family and is linked to a prominent Jarrett family through her ex-husband. She is now married to Danny Wegman. She also was involved in the promotion of Montego Bay and has currently launched a project to establish a university, building a staggering 1,200 homes and a technology park with an area of 48 acres, which was estimated will help in the employment by opening around 30,000 jobs. Congratulations for reaching the number 1 spot. Thank you for tuning in to St. Alban TV, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe.